Hey, what's up everyone? It's actually been a while since we reviewed a Nokia device on this channel. But yeah, I'm back with a Nokia tablet, the Nokia T21. So Nokia returned to the tablet world in late 2021 with the release of the Nokia T20 tablet. A tablet I've actually been using, for a while since launch. I actually purchased one last year and I've been using it, since then. Probably I think a couple of days after the tablet was launched, I actually got myself one. Of course, the T20 was a budget 10-inch tablet, a very stylish design, and I really liked it. And now the company has followed up with a successor, the Nokia T21, which is what I'm holding and I'm going to be talking, about in this video. So this tablet carries a similar look as the T20, but has had a few upgrades. Let's do a quick unboxing and basically show you what you're getting. So when you open the box, the first thing you get to see is the tablet itself. Very huge. Let me just get this content out of the box. Then further in the box, you're getting to see some user manuals here. Then there is the charging brick. Then again, lastly, in the box, where a USB Type-C cable. So basically, that's what you're getting in the box. Very basic and all the content accessories you actually expect from any other device. So nothing really much, nothing fancy. That's all you have in the box. Yep. So let's look at the tablet itself now. The Nokia T21 lives up to the design standard set by its predecessor. Again, as I said, I love the T20, and of course, what impression I'm getting with this this T21, it's also a very interesting upgrade with a very slim build, a very premium feeling aluminum body, and Nokia has traded the blue color we saw on the T20 for a more understated charcoal gray shade on the Nokia T21. The tablet is 7.5mm thick and of course weighs just 471 grams. So it's basically the perfect for sleeping inside of a bag or a small package, and doesn't feel heavy in the hand. No case is included in the box, but Nokia does sell a range of accessories to keep the tablet safe from knocks and bumps. So again, you have to spend an extra money to buy the case or just anything to protect the phone. It does come with an IP52 rating, so it's actually protected from dust and from light dust and water spray. Yeah, let's look at the outside of this phone. So on the bottom, there's a USB-C port for charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack is actually on the right hand corner. The power button is located on the top edge, and the volume controls are on the right hand side, along with a removable tray which can accept both a SIM card on LTE models and a micro SD card. So Nokia once again has opted for a 10.36-inch screen, in 5.3 aspect ratio. Most tablets actually we've seen in the market have a 4.3 screen. So this is actually a slight wider, but not really wide screen like, let's say, a TV. Yeah. The 2K IPS display is actually protected by a toughened glass, which has some scratch resistance. And being a budget device, it's a 60Hz screen, which means no high or variable refresh rate. The peak brightness is 360 nits, a downgrade again from the previous model, the T20. Of course, other features, there's the Unisoc T612 CPU, a slight upgrade from the previous model again. This is actually paired by 4 gigs of RAM and either 64 gigs or 128 gigs of internal storage. Of course, but the micro SD slot that we mentioned earlier allows up to an additional 512 GB of storage. This tablet is actually available in both Wi-Fi and LTE versions, and the tablet actually cameras and actually something else. Let's talk about the cameras, something else. Tablet cameras are actually really never important as, for example, what we're used to seeing on smartphones. I can't remember the last time I saw someone taking out a tablet, actually taking a photo using the tablet. And Nokia, but nonetheless, Nokia has actually made some very nice improvements on the T21 setup compared again to the previous model. The selfie camera has been upgraded to 8 megapixels from 5 megapixels on the T20. The rear camera again remains unchanged from T20. The camera is also capable of actually 8 times zoom. Yeah, that's it for the camera setup. For the battery, the Nokia T21 has 8,200 mAh of battery, which Nokia actually claims can last up to 3 days. Of course, that's under regular usage. The Nokia T21 also supports 18 watts of charging, but again, 18 watts of charging, and of course there is the charger included in the box. There are some markets that I believe don't have the charger in the box, you know. Yeah, but actually locally Samsung has added the package in the box. I'm actually not sure about the charger in the box thing in other markets, so a disclaimer. So one of the biggest advantages of going for a Nokia device is that software is largely pure Android, and I think that's one of the things that actually made me, you know, keep a number of Nokia devices that I've used in a while. Of course, being one of the first Android devices I'm using from Nokia, I'm using actually this year, I'm actually very excited to look forward to interacting with this tablet. So there aren't any major UI difference from Google users, and of course all the apps actually laid up clearly on this tablet with hardly any bloatware, very clean user interface. Of course, the tablet has Android 12 out of the box. Of course, this isn't the latest Google OS, but Nokia has guaranteed, you know, users 2 OS updates and 3 years of monthly security updates. So it will actually receive Android 13, you know, anytime soon. In Kenya, you can actually buy this tablet for 32,500. That's for the 4GB 128GB model. Yep, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in Kenya you can actually buy this tablet for 32,500 for the 4GB 128GB variant. Yep, thank you so much for watching. Remember to share and subscribe, and tell me your thoughts about the Nokia T21 tablet. Will you actually buy it? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.